We did the girl math the last video. Sometimes it just makes more sense to keep everything. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my monthly fix. Yes, did I just do a Stitch Fix video not a couple weeks ago? Yeah, but you know what I did? Sometimes after you've checked out, they ask you if you're interested in scheduling your next fix. And if you do, then you save $20. And so that's what I did. They actually waived the stylist fee. So that's what I did. I went ahead and ordered another one. And we're going to try it on because I got to make sure that I like all these things before the time runs out and I have to return them. Because you only have so many days before you have to return the items in your fix. There's Stitch Fix, which is, this is my monthly fix, but you can also do freestyle. I do have a Stitch Fix link, and I will link it in the description. You can try them out. You can save a little bit of money on your first fix, or if you're doing things on the freestyle, which is just kind of where you go onto the website, you just pick the things that you want, and you don't have a stylist fee or anything else. You basically just buy the items that you want. But when you do your fix, then your stylist picks out little surprises for you that are based on your style profile. So you go onto the website, you fill out your style profile, you let them know. Like I said, I don't want any shorts, because it's winter here in Indiana. I don't like to show my arms. I don't want floral prints and yada, yada, yada. And they base their picks for you based on your style profile. If you keep all 5 items in your fix, then you get a discount. And we did the girl math the last video. Sometimes it just makes more sense to keep everything if you're just paying, $15 more for an item. Some of the things in here can be a little pricey. So you just kind of have to do that girl math, which we'll do at the end of the video if I decide to keep what I'm going to keep. I did open up the box. With every box, oh, I got some shoes. Yay, I like it when I get shoes. Oh, and that's something you can say to your stylist. I like shoes. I want a pair of shoes in every box. And so that's one thing that you can add to your stylist. You can communicate with your stylist the things that you want to see in your box. I have even in the past gone into the freestyle and added things to my cart and then have messaged my stylist and said, hey, I have a couple things in my cart that I'm interested in. So that's just a little insider tip there. It helps guide them to pick the things that you want. These shoes, they were in my, oh no, I'm taking a drink right now. Hang on, get that out. I'm just grabbing a drink like I'm sitting here chatting to my best friends, which I guess I kind of am, aren't I? What I was saying is these shoes are one of the things that I had put in my cart, and I'm hoping that that's what these are. But with every order, you do get a prepaid poly bag, so you can return free shipping on anything that you do not want to keep. And the shoes do come in this nice bag, which these are really, really good. I recommend keeping these if you get shoes when you're traveling to put your shoes in your suitcase. So it's just a way that you can use them to kind of protect the rest of your clothes when you're traveling. I love these. Okay, I don't even know. I gotta find the paper that says what these are. Okay, here we go. These are the Adidas. What's VI? 6? Roman numerals V. Oh, look at me. VI is 6. Court bold sneakers. So these are suede, and they have a little bit of a platform sole on them. These are cute. I love them. I used to not be a tennis shoe girl, but I'm a tennis shoe girl in the wintertime. In the summertime, I'm a sandal Birkenstock girl, but I love me some tennis shoes. So let's go try these on and we'll see what they look like on. Oh, I can't wait. All right, so I have on the tennis shoes and they are so incredibly comfortable. Now, don't pay any attention to the way that I have them on with these socks right now, but I won't wear them like this in public, I promise. Very, very cute and so comfortable. Yeah, these are fantastic. And they're suede, so they're great for winter. Probably will put a little bit of a weather protectant sealant on them to protect the suede, but they're really, really cute. All right, so this next item, this, I don't know, I like this, and it's something that I see other people wearing, and I don't, maybe they're all attached like this, and I always think that it looks really, really cute. This is a 41 Hawthorne, and it's the Joni mixed media sweater. So you can see it is a navy blue, which I do not have a lot of, so that's kind of good. I don't have a lot of this color, but it is like a cable knit, or I don't know what this design, I'm horrible at fashion. I don't know what this design is, but it is a sweater. And on the bottom here, we've got a cotton, almost like a dress shirt, I guess you could say, underneath it, but it's attached. So I'm interested in trying this on to see if I would like it. The only thing is, like, you wear this with jeans with this blue bee. I don't know. Let's go try it on and then we'll decide. Okay, this is the sweater. I like it. I have on leggings today, so I mean, I think it looks okay with leggings, but I'm curious to know what it's gonna look like with jeans, which I don't have here with me today. But I like that the sweater just fits on your waist, just like a normal sweater should. And then you've got this shirt underneath it to, you know, hide the butt and the gut. And it just, I don't know, it just makes it seem a little bit more dressy, I guess you could say. I think I would have liked it too if it had a collar on it too that maybe matched this, because it's kind of weird that we've got this down here and then nothing up here. So it kind of reminds me of one of those Dickie turtlenecks. That's just like Dickie. Yeah, it's the opposite of a Dickie. So I don't know. I mean, I like it. It's very, very soft. This is a 1X and the MSRP is $78. So I don't know. I don't know about that, but it is really cute. But we got to do that girl math at the end to see what makes sense what all we're returning. So I don't know about this one. Okay, this next piece, I really think that I was just thinking, I wish I had just a simple black sweatshirt. And that's what this is. This is a We Wander, the Daily Hooded Wonder Soft Fleece Sweatshirt in black. It is a size 1X. The MSRP is $69, which is a little pricey for just a sweatshirt. But it is an oversized black hoodie sweatshirt with a kangaroo pocket, and we've got a little zipper, a little bonus pocket right here. What could you put in there? Little snacks? I don't know what that pocket would be used for, but it's nice that it has a zipper. I guess if you wanted to keep something a little bit more secure, you know, like your debit card or something, it has a hood. And it's very, very soft. So yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this. I was just saying the other day that I really wanted a black hoodie sweatshirt. So we'll try this one on now too. Okay, all right, I really like this hoodie. I'm gonna zip up this little zipper here because I keep wanting to stick my hand in that little zipper compartment. It's got the little hand things, which is nice. It's really, really soft and it's oversized. This is a 1X, and that is, I am a true XL 1X size. So this is nice and oversized. It feels so nice. It is a nice quality sweatshirt. Like I said, this one it's a 1X and the MSRP is $69. But honestly, this feels so good. If you bought like a Nike or an Under Armour sweatshirt, you're going to be spending that much money on those. This is We Wander, which I've never heard of before, but I don't know. It just feels so nice. And so, yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this one. I like it a lot. All right, this next sweater, I don't know. I like the colors on it. Let me tell you something real quick too. Make sure that you are checking your emails from Stitch Fix, because you're going to miss out on your Stitch Fix previews. So they will show you what that your stylist has picked for you, and you can go in and say, no, don't like that. And you can give a reason, you know, I own something similar. It's, you know, I don't want short sleeves and yada, yada, yada. This was the one thing that was in my initial preview that I wanted to try. Everything else, I said, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. So I was interested in this because this is something in a colorway that I don't already have. This is a Madison & Belt Jessie long sleeve sweater. It is a size 1X, and the MSRP is $49, which for a nice quality sweater is not I don't think that it's that expensive. It's so soft. So we've got 3 different colors here. We've got like a light pink, then a little bit darker pink, and then an even darker pink on the sleeves. It's a size 1X. I'm trying to see what the content makeup of it is because it's so soft. 70% polyester and 20% acrylic. It honestly does not feel like it's polyester at all. It feels really soft. I'm a little worried that I'm gonna get really hot in this, but let's go try it on and let's see what we think. Okay, I was nervous about this because I don't wear a lot of pinks because it's just, I just don't think pink is my color. I don't know about this one. It's cute, and it's very soft, and the fit is really nice. This is a 1X and the MSRP is $49, which for a nice soft sweater really is not that bad of a price point. I just don't know. I mean, it's cute. It has a nice length to where you could wear it with leggings as well. I don't know. I just don't know that I'm sold on it. We'll have to do the girl math to see. I don't think I'm going to keep the navy blue. I love the black. And I love the shoes. I don't know. I don't know yet. Jury is still out on this one. Okay, the last item, I don't know, because I have something very similar to this already. So I don't know if I would want to keep it. And actually, no, I have a cardigan that's similar to this. So this is that babao. I can never pronounce that. Babao. It's also a size 1X. It's a Manon popcorn because it's kind of like this popcorn textured feel. Pullover. It's a size 1X. The MSRP is $68. It's a nice oversized sweater, which this kind of tan ecru collar is kind of in this season again. It was a little last year too. So this is a nice, so soft, oversized sweater. What is the content makeup of this? I can't read it. The writing is too small, but it's super soft. All right, let's go over and let's try this one on as well. Okay, the last one is the popcorn sweater. It's so incredibly soft. It feels almost like a chenille blanket. I definitely like this one better than the color block one. It is a little big in the sleeves, which I'm used to because everything always is. It's just a nice, soft, oversized sweater. This one, like I said, is a popcorn pullover, and the MSRP is $68. It's a little pricey for me. It's a little expensive. I would like it more at the $49 level, but we'll see. I think that this will be really cute with jeans more so than leggings. But I don't know. I mean, I do like it. I just don't know yet. I don't know yet. Okay, so here is what I've decided. If I kept all 5 pieces, I would have paid $258. Now, everything at MSRP would have been $344. That's crazy. And then if you keep all 5 items and you get your 25% discount, which I should have said that in the beginning. If you do keep all 5 items, your stylist fee that you paid $20 goes towards it, as well as you get a 25% discount, which would have saved me $85, which would have brought the total to $258. Shipping is always free. I didn't want to spend $258 because a couple of those sweaters I wasn't real crazy about. So I decided to return the popcorn sweater, the color block sweater, and that navy blue with the blue shirt underneath it. And I'm keeping this sweatshirt and these shoes. And I paid $159. I did. This is so soft and I wanted one anyway. And these shoes are incredibly soft. Comfortable. So I am going to keep these and I really like them. And I love Stitch Fix. If you are interested in Stitch Fix, I do have a link where you can save money on your order. So go check that out. I also have a slew of Stitch Fix videos. So you can watch those if you're interested in other items as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I've already scheduled my next fix so I can save that $20 stylist fee and so I can create more try-on videos for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the thumbs up, hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.